Grand Rising, or good vibrations. Good vibrations, all you beautiful beings. Good vibrations, all you beautiful beings. How are you doing? Leave it in the comments. How are you doing? I'll reply. I'm doing great. If you were asking, I'm doing okay, you know, and that's better than KO, you know. Yes, so my life has been like a little bit of, I guess the turbulence and the ride is slowing down in a sense. We're 2 weeks into the year. I'm 15 months and like 2 weeks on HRT. I'm working on getting my official name change. I think I'm going to go to the clerk of circuit court tomorrow, grab those papers, look those papers in the eyes and be like, I will probably wait a week to fill them out. I'm shy. I'm scared. I just like to read things. I'm gonna read it. And yeah, so life for me as a trans woman. Hi, my name is Celia Blue Odyssey. Nice to have you here at Blues Cues. Yes, welcome back. Or welcome. Subscribe or like or comment or neither. A lot of y'all don't like the video. I don't mind. I personally don't care. I do this because I don't know. I don't know why. I'm just joking. So what's on the agenda today, girls? Okay, so 15 and 2 weeks on estrogen. Woo, woo, woo. Let's get into what I've been doing. I've been going to a lot of shows. I've been going to, you know, doing a lot of things. I've been working my tail off 7 days a week, still doing it. Busting that. Oh, just been busting. Oh my gosh. I just been busting my ass off and not in a good way. I just been working. Oh my gosh, this shit is gold. What the fuck? Oh, am I allowed to say that? I don't even know. Anyway, your girl just been working on her new project that's gonna drop next month. I've been really just been trying to fall in love with the new me. It's taking a while to get used to, and a lot of my family members and friends and people around me in this small town, it's taking a little bit to get used to. Like, I have to constantly remind individuals that I'm she, her. Yes, I like she and her. Please. If not, Like, yeah. I just started injections. Oh, so the injections. So I switched from estradiol sublingually to estradiol valerate, I believe. I should look that up. I should look it up. Let's see. We're gonna see in real time. See how I use my phone. I love this thing. It's just like a little gadget. Okay, let me sign in. I might cut some of the sound. Estradiol valerate. So I switched from sublingually to injections. Every single time I do an injection, I'm like, it's only been like 3 times. I've only done it 3 times. So it's the charm is the 3rd time. Like the 3rd time's the charm. I'm not gonna lie to you all. The 3rd time was the charm. Actually, like the first time I did it, it was like I was getting used to it. Kinda. It was like, ugh. Should I do it in my thigh, in my booty, in the left cheek, in the right? I don't know, but it's gonna be a good night. No, but then the second injection, I was like, I didn't really like the thigh. Should I put it in the booty? Put it in the booty and the thigh? I don't know what. No, there's gonna be just. No, but I did put it in the booty the next time. And then the 3rd time, which was the charm. Charm. It was injections in the leg. And that's what I'm gonna do. Because that's what I feel comfortable doing. I did in all the rhyme stuff. So your girl's been on HRT for 15 months and 2 weeks. I do not practice my voice. This is the voice that I like to use. I like to use this in almost every setting. Maybe I should, I don't know. I do have tools to practice the vocals. Let me fix this. I do have tools to practice the vocals. It will be coming. What else will be coming? Laser name change, and the project, my project next month. That's what will be coming. So, not you. Oh! Ah! Yeah. So the Queen Zalia, have a bunch of projects that are coming out. Yeah. Stay tuned, season 4. I love you, I adore. I love you all. Everyone who likes, I love you so much. I'm going to be making some merch very, very soon. So to everyone who absolutely adores me, I'm going to be giving it to you for free. I swear. All you have to do is just probably pay for the shipping, maybe. I don't know, depending on how far you are. But I want to make you something for free because I love you and you've been supporting me, just like listening to me and liking my vibe and stuff like that. So that's gonna be my treat to you, Pookie. It could be a t-shirt, a hat, a card, a sticker, anything you like. Put it in the comments. I'll make it. the studio right now.